Hey guys, Alpine Companies. We've got all these guys reset. Got this corner pulled off. These guys are split up pretty bad. Reset this whole double row of steps here up top. I was going to show you how this thing got built. Look at down in here. Pretty crappy. They didn't even grout behind those face stones. So these few are probably compromised. So even though they're down good, I'm gonna go ahead and pop those off so that way we can make sure that these face stones are down nice and tight and grout behind them, and then we'll reset these guys. Once everything's done and reset, then I'll mix my grout and I'll grout everything at one time. Alpine Companies, one of my specialties is flagstone restoration. You can follow this project from beginning to end on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Alpine. See you guys on the next one.